Good evening, Ramis. Greeting from Brisbane, Australia. So you are in Turkey.
I'm in the Istanbul in the Hillary show. As you can see, our minister also here now. There is an introduction is going on. Look at the crowd.
Yeah, I know. I can see it. I can see the exhibition, of jewelry exhibition in Turkey. Yes.
Yeah, this is just for the presentation and followed by. I will get in touch with a lot of companies. They are waiting me in the stand.
Okay, good luck.
Priority for my visit card, name tag. Okay, and myself, as I promised, I'm here. And I will get in touch with these companies. And there are so many foreign visitors also, as you may able to see them.
Yeah, good luck.
Asia, from South Asia, there are many interesting people also. I just met one of the person from UK. He was here also.
Okay. So good luck, Ramis. Okay, we'll catch up. We'll catch up. I know Turkey loves gold. I know. We have the gold. I know that. The world is crying for supply. I can tell. The price of gold is getting higher and higher.
And after this short ceremony, I will go inside and I will start to talk with the companies.
Good for you. Okay, I have to leave you because it's very noisy. Very noisy.
Okay.
All right.
I will get in touch with you again, okay?
All right. On Skype, it's better. On Skype, it's better.
Okay.
All right.
Yes, I will call you over Skype.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Well. There is an exhibition in Turkey about gold. There's so many companies looking for gold. So many small timers looking for gold. We are here to do business. We have the supply, but we don't deal with the SBLC. We don't deal CIF. Well. I just received a phone calls from my network in Turkey that there is a big exhibition about gold. Lot of jewelry manufacturer, gold trader. Well, we are here to do business, but we don't give our gold for nothing. The buyer has to pay for it. We don't believe on no upfront because you have to pay for it whether you like it or not. There is no upfront. Those buyer asking no upfront, he doesn't have the money. You have to pay for it whether you like it or not. So now I just received a call, long distance call from Ramis. He is at the exhibition. Yeah. Jewelry exhibition in Turkey, Istanbul, in the city. Where we are here to do business. You have the money, we have the gold. Simple as that. You're gonna ask, what procedure, Wilhelmina? The procedure is very simple. You need to use your brain. What is the procedure? You have to send us the letter of interest that you're a buyer. That is the procedure. The procedure that you're gonna state that what carat are you looking for, what quantity you are looking for, what mode of payment. You have to send a letter of interest to Wilhelmina. Attention to Wilhelmina, because I'm the extension of the seller. I have the right to reject you, and I have the right to say yes or no. There is a buyer's agent from United Kingdom. He is in Cameroon right now. He's asking me to supply gold. I turn him down. He's asking MT799. MT799 is not acceptable in Africa. Gold in Africa is cash business. So he is in Cameroon, and I told him, I wish you good luck. Cameroon, the government is different. And I don't deal Cameroon. I deal only Conakry, Mali, and Sierra Leone. Why? Because I know ins and out in that country. I brought the buyer, and the buyer get the gold. So I don't deal with Ghana. I don't deal with Nairobi. I don't deal with Cameroon. I don't deal with any part of Africa except Conakry, Sierra Leone, and Mali only. So I'm gonna leave you because someone is calling me. Just a moment. Normal property. He's been sending me a message. Yeah, good evening. This is Wilhelmina. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So how did you get my name?
Through YouTube.
Okay.
You posted a few videos, right?
Where are you right now?
Okay, I'm based in Malaysia, KL, Kuala Lumpur. But my buyer is in Dubai, so yeah, that's the issue. That's how I want to call you. So
Okay.
to you about. Yeah.
What's your name?
Philip.
Philip. Okay. Philip, when you watch the video on YouTube, what did you learn out of that, Philip?
Hello, sorry.
When you found me on my YouTube video, what did you learn out of that video?
What did I actually didn't go through much. I just saw one of your videos.
I see. So your buyer is from Dubai, is that right?
Yeah, okay. My buyer is from Dubai.
Okay.
Okay, and what's right now is we thought of like, okay, if you can bring the gold to Dubai, we will pay for the flight charges, your stay and everything, for Doré Gold.
We don't do that, Philip. Gold is money. We don't bring gold to any country without knowing who is the buyer.
Okay, understood. So okay, I know what's your process like. Then we can see from there how to go.
I think you have to go back and watch the video properly, and then click. It says more. Click that. The full corporate offer is on that video.
Yeah, I saw about that. Yeah, the full corporate offer. Right?
That's right.
So okay, right now, the company in Dubai, because it's actually my dad's business. I'm just helping him out.
Oh, is that your dad's business? Is it?
Yeah, it's my dad's business. I just got into this business about 2-3 days ago. So please do correct me if I'm wrong. So okay, in what he mentioned is that because he was in Dubai for 1 month, he just came back 2 days ago. And he met with he asked a lot of buyers to come bring the gold to Dubai. Now one person did show up with the gold, but then the next day he didn't come to the refinery. He said that you have to pay the balance for these 300 other kgs. He just brought 2 kgs. You see, it came hand carry.
I see.
The second day he just told my dad, if you want, you have to pay the full payment, then we release the whole thing, 2 kgs. But the 2 kgs we already paid. That was it, 6,000 USD that time. So that's why he came down first, you see, to Dubai.
I see. We don't do that, Philip. We don't do that. Our policy that the buyer has to send a letter of interest called LOI, because we lose 24 million in the past, Philip. We lose 24 million in the past. My head office was been cheated by the buyer, so we don't do that no more.
Understood. Yeah, my dad also, he lost 6,000 USD.
Oh well, your dad is only 6,000. My head office in Conakry lost 24 million.
Exactly. It's crazy, actually.
This business is crazy because this is money.
Yeah, correct.
This is money you are buying.
You said that this is a cash game, right? So
yeah, bank to bank. Must be bank to bank because of money laundering. Yeah. We cannot do that.
Your process, you have to go through the books. Yeah, basically, we have to. Okay, if we can provide an FCO, what about the financial strength of the company?
Well, we will send it to you. My job is to interview you right now. And I need a copy of your father's business registration, importation license, and passport copy.
Importation license, right? Because he was in Dubai for 1 month, so they were setting up their company there. They're undergoing something. It's called SEMA. I forgot what he said. SEMA license for Syria.
That's right.
It's like
because there's so many fake buyers, Philip. So many fake buyers in Dubai. So many. I've been to Dubai many times. I know the trick of Dubai buyer. Yeah.
Okay, but the thing is, in Dubai, these buyers are actually personal friends of my dad.
Okay.
So these guys are quite established.
I can put your father's business in Conakry because Conakry and Dubai is one stop. Emirates fly 3 times a week.
I see. So when you say this, right? What do you mean? We have to go down to Conakry,
Of course.
purchase the gold.
Your dad has to has to establish business relationship if he wants to buy gold long term. Yeah.
To change in Africa. So.
Yeah. And I know my seller because I've been to Conakry many times and my transaction has been successful. Yeah.
Okay, but what is the offer you like the seller, right? He actually how does the gold be sent? Like usually they got corporations also in Africa which can send the gold with security to
No, in Conakry it's different, Philip. When you have a contract with us, we need a long-term contract. We don't buy buyer's terms and conditions. You have to follow the terms and conditions of the country because the country would not allow any seller to take the gold out of the country without full payment.
The buyer doesn't feel safe to go to Africa, so that's why he asks us to represent for him.
Tell your father, don't be scared. I'm a woman. I live in Brisbane, Australia, and I'm a woman. I'm not scared to travel to Africa. I'm not. So,
Traveled there before and all this.
yeah, tell your father he doesn't need to be scared because I'm going to be with your father. I'm going to assist your father. So you go back and listen first on the video.
Yeah. For 10,000 fees, right?
No, not anymore. That was, I think that was 2019. Today I charge $20,000. Yes.
Now it's
$20,000 I charge the buyer.
I see. Also, you're in Brisbane. You're Filipino, right?
Yes, I was born in the Philippines. Yes.
Okay, my mom's Filipino also, but born in Malaysia.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah, she's from Naga City.
Okay, I was born in Mindanao, Surigao del Sur.
Oh, I see. Okay, so yeah, I'll ask my dad. But then,
So tell your dad that you were talking to Mrs. Ford that the gold will not come to Dubai unless we have to have a contract.
okay, sure.
All right?
Okay.
Thank you, Philip. When you called me, I was in the middle of a dinner. My husband and I are having a dinner. So now I'm free.
Okay, yeah, sorry. I had someone in the room.
It's okay. So go back to the video because I have several videos and I want you to listen or you go on my platform on Facebook. Everything is on there.
Oh, yeah. Unfortunately. Yeah, I would like to say, yeah. But what if, let's say, right, the seller, like, we pay for his flight and everything, and you just tell us your terms?
No, the seller would not travel. We have an office in Conakry. The buyer has to travel. He has to come to the office.
Okay, the seller will never travel.
I am the mandate of the seller, and I am also the facilitator of yours. So I have two positions. Yes.
For those that offer, like, let's say, those that offer, they'll come down and all.
Oh, they are desperate. They are desperate.
But there are legitimate ones also.
I don't know because the buyer will, if the seller will come to Dubai, they are desperate. We are not desperate.
Yeah, true. Desperate seller.
We have the big office. If your father come to the office, he would be entertained because my head office on the building.
Yes, we will come to the office, but this is the first deal. That's why we want to do it like this. And after the first deal, then we'll get more capital. We want to get, and this time we'll have cash flow for our own.
No, we don't do that.
Purchase.
We don't buy buyer's terms. You follow the terms and conditions, you can get the gold. Yeah.
Okay, you don't know anyone that can do like.
No.
Okay.
Before we used to do that, and the seller lost gold, and the seller was killed himself. So we don't do that anymore. I was the one who restructured. I was the one.
How are we to give you guys assurance?
Well, the assurance you have to come to establish your business relationship with us.
Let's say if it's not about us coming to the seller come to Dubai, what kind of assurance can we give?
No, we don't do that. We are too busy. If the buyer wants the gold, he has to come to the office. Yeah.
Okay,
We don't.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Philip. Thank you very much. Bye. When you're ready, you come back to Wilhelmina. Can you see that? We don't buy terms and conditions of the buyer. My head office has an office. My seller has an office in Conakry. My seller has an office in Mali. My seller has an office in Sierra Leone. We don't come to any country. If you want the gold, you have to travel and meet us in the office. Okay. My role is completely different from brokering. If you are scared to travel, meaning to say something wrong with you. I'm a woman. I travel by myself. You're gonna be invited by the head office. The head office will send you the landing visa. First of all, before you're gonna get the gold from us, especially to this lady, I need a copy of your business registration. I need a copy of your importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund that you have $1 million. Without that, I wouldn't believe it. I wouldn't. You're just fishing around. Gold is money. You must remember the gold is a skyrocket at the moment. Just few minutes, my network from Turkey, he called me. He is in Istanbul gold exhibition. All the jeweler, the jeweler approached him to get the gold in Africa. And I said to Ramis, take time, get their information, and enjoy on the exhibition. And he was a part of the exhibition. He's asking me about gold in Africa. And I told Ramis, take time, take it easy. We have the gold. Tell the buyer that he has to comply. Gold is money. We don't bring money to a stranger. No. You have to come to the money. Gold is money. Then we can do business. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. The time here is 6:40 in the evening. I'm going to have a look. What is the price? Because the price changes every half an hour. Now, today is April 17. The price of gold per kilo in the world market is 76,557.95. Per ounce is 2,380.95. That 76,557.95 is refined. You are buying unrefined, which is 22 plus, equivalent to 23. The purity is 96.97. The selling price is 70,170. I don't know if you can afford it. So I'm sorry guys, if you don't listen to my video on my YouTube and on my Facebook, you would not get gold from us because we are really very strict and we are in control because the world is on panic right now because of the Middle East problem. The price of gold is getting higher and higher. This is my virtual office. There is no gold here. My job is to interview buyers. My job is to reject the buyer. My job is to consider the buyer. I have the power to say yes or no. Last year, I charged $15,000. 2019, I charged the buyer $10,000 for my extra service. Today, 2024, I do charge the buyer $20,000. To accompany the buyer, 100% guarantee you will get the gold. But if you cannot afford, you can travel, I will arrange the contract, less 8%. But if you need Wilhelmina and if I travel, yes, I will consider to give you maybe 10 to 13%. But don't bank on it. You have not convinced me. Our selling price less 8%, tax included. Which one you like? 8% or for 13%. So it's up for you to make a decision. I'm not here to force you to pay my extra service. Everything now is on social media. I purchased a machine through Facebook. I purchased grass cutter through Facebook. I purchased the equipment for my farm through Facebook. So you're buying gold through Facebook and YouTube channel. I was the one who put this on social media. I was the one who promoted Africa. You would never find a person like this. Just like this Malaysian guy. He found me in my YouTube channel, but he didn't read properly. See? So you need to read properly. or else you're gonna be rejected. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. Take time. I will come back every 2 hours to update the price of gold of the day.